Happy birthday to you.
Oh, man.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Raylene. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish and blow out the candles. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Happy birthday! It's off the cake now.
Somebody just twice make a beat and no gon' keep it. Studio, I say my style is original. I don't get money or bread if I'm a woman. No, I entertain how you want me. I don't be somebody. Try to be somebody in this lifetime. Back then I used to laugh. Folks on me like the crowd, so they made them go.
They say you're nobody to you. Be somebody you get made stripes when you beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me.
Hey y'all, it's the Maverick and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have the Bronx Girl Skate at NIKESB collab. This shoe is fire. Definitely a nice shoe. I'm gonna just say that right now. But before we get started, I already know Politics collab with Saucony, Sportsman Paradise. Make sure y'all go watch that video. Also, got the Diamond Turf 2s, Deion Sanders, Diamond Turf 2s, red gold. Make sure y'all go watch that as well. Also have the Nigo Air Force 3 video. We have the Flight Club 4 video out now as well. So if you haven't watched those videos, make sure y'all go watch them. All right, let's get started. It's the box that it comes in. Size tag reads black, white, challenge red. Open them up. Come with this paper. Making sure they got some laces. All right, so these are the Bronx Girl Skate. This is a collab. Bronx Girl Skate was started in 2020 by Kava Vasquez and Mel Ramirez. They started it to just have some inclusivity in the skate world. But let's get started. So we have, of course, this black pebbled material all around the shoe, and I really like that. I didn't know that's how they looked in person. I seen pictures of them, but I didn't know that's how they looked. These are already lightly worn. We did do an on-foot video, so excuse me if you see any dirt or anything like that. But let's get into the outlining. We have orange outlining, red outlining, and then green. They say these colors represent inclusivity again, culture, just trying to bring everybody together. We have these. This says Bronx Girl Skate on the laces, and it's on the tongue as well. And then they have black laces. It also comes with a lace swap. It says Bronx Girl Skate on it as well. Start with the inside. I'm gonna pull this out, and this is how it looks. Also have some embroidered gold symbol on the inside. And then this is the back. We have the New York little charm on the back. It also says the world, and then this one says something different. White swoosh. I'm gonna show y'all the bottom. It's the bottom. It also has some just some New York inspired features in it as well. As you can see, the subway here on the shoe. This shoe definitely has a good story. All right, so on the back, this one says the Bronx, and this one says the world. Show y'all. The colors also on the colors on the lining also interchange. Got, instead of the green, we have the red here. Instead of the red, we have the green. And the orange is always on the front, and then the lining also swapped on the back as well. See if there's any changes on the insoles. There is some changes on the insoles. I'm gonna show y'all difference. I can't take this out. So this one says the world, and this is what it came. This is the insole that came out. It has a picture of the world map. Then we have a picture of New York. All right, so I'm gonna read this. I had to take the sticker off. It says, we all come from different backgrounds, but nothing is more important than coming together as family and moving like family. All right, so Mel Ramirez wrote this one, and then this one has some Spanish at the top. I'm not gonna read that because I can't read Spanish, but this, it says, I am because we are, and Cava Vasquez wrote this one. So I like that. Some good details on this shoe. I'm not a big fan of like mostly black shoes, but I really like this. I really like that pebbled material for sure. I think that's what really makes the shoe. And also, of course, like the gold accents and the sock line, not the sock lining, the lining on the shoe as well is nice. Before I forget, we have Bronx Girl Skate in the back of the tongue. Show you here too. So these are dropping on sneakers and in selected skate shops. I know on sneakers they're dropping January 27th. And I think in the skate shops they drop a little bit earlier than. I'm not sure of the exact date, but I would definitely be on the lookout for these. This is a really dope shoe. I like the story behind it. I like that it's like inclusive and trying to bring everybody together. I like the story that it tells. Love the gold, love the material, the colors as well. Very dope shoe. So yeah, these are the Bronx Girl Skate collab with NIKESB. Make sure y'all go cop these January 27th. And thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
When you beat the body in a studio, they